Hey guys, it's Alex here from Workshop 12. And today, allow me to show you one of the best car gadgets that you can buy right now. Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. This car gadget is the 12 Smart Box, and it's legitimately the best car gadget that you can buy for your current vehicle. And it's universal. It fits in every single vehicle that you have for those that only have already wired Android Auto or wired Apple CarPlay. But if your vehicle does not come equipped with wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto, then this unit will not work for your vehicle. So why would you need it? And why is it the best car gadget? Great question. This unit simply plugs into the USB port that you currently have, like where you connect your phone for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. You simply plug this unit right in there, and then it will transform your existing screen to a full-blown computer, essentially, where you can download every single app available from the Google Play Store, from Netflix, Prime, Disney, YouTube, Candy Crush, whatever game you want, whatever app you want, you'll be able to download it right on here. On top of that, this also transforms your existing wired CarPlay or your existing wired Android Auto to wireless. So you don't need to worry about all these wires being tangled and trying to figure out if you have even the wire, or if you lost it or misplaced it or whatnot. The cool thing about this box is that it does come with some hefty specs. You got a quad processor, and you also have 8 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, expandable micro SD card, so you'll be able to expand the storage if you need more than 128. It also comes with an HDMI output, so for those that want to connect a gaming console, you want to run Fortnite, you want to run COD, whatever game you want, you'll be able to connect. And then on top of that, it also comes with a SIM card for 4G LTE, so if you don't want to be hotspotting your phone for internet, you'll be able to have internet on demand right in the palm of your hands. On top of that, this 12 Smart Box, you can also connect an OBD2 scanner. Download the Torque app or the ELM app right on your phone here on the unit, and then you'll be able to connect the OBD2 directly to this box to get your car diagnostics, where you'll be able to get gauges, check what's wrong with your car, if you get an engine light, whatnot, and you'll be able to view it all from there. Well, let's take a look at what's in the box so you and I have a clear understanding of what you're gonna be getting. First thing is instructions manual. Next, you grab your beautiful 12 Smart Box, literally fits in the palm of your hand. It measures about, I think, 3 inches by like 0.75, so less than half an inch, and less than an inch. And then on top of that, you also have here your 2 cables. Depending on the vehicle you have, if your vehicle has a USB-A port, then this is the cable that you're going to connect. And if your vehicle comes equipped with a USB-C port, you're going to connect this. It simply connects one end to the USB port on ours, and then the other end directly to your vehicle. And then you also have a HDMI output cable where you can use to connect your PlayStation or anything like that. It has a micro HDMI connector that will fit right in here, and then your standard HDMI port where you'll be able to connect whatever thing you would like. And then the rest of the device here has a little tiny rubber cap here where you can connect your SIM card or your micro SD card slot where you'll be able to get external memory. And then you also have the SIM card for 4G LTE, your HDMI port, and that's it. The USB-C cable that you'll connect for the actual plugs. And there you have it. Let's stop wasting time. We're gonna go in the car. I'm gonna show you how to install it, and then it's gonna follow through by a quick software walkthrough. Let's go.
All right, we're good.
Sweet, thank you. Sorry guys, John here, he works for Workshop 12, but he also does some fire haircuts and beard lineups, so I had to get the beard lined up, but let's not waste any more time and let's finish off the install. All right guys, we are in a beautiful 2019 Volkswagen Golf. Unfortunately, it's not the R and it's not the GTI, but this car is very reliable, good on gas, but there are two things that I just hate about this car. And one of them is the actual infotainment system. It is very, it lacks everything, to be quite honest. It has a beautiful display, but it comes equipped with wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. And I truthfully wish it was wireless. And also, I wish it had more apps on here that we can do when we do go on a road trip. And the second thing I hate about it is it's a 1.4 liter and it is as slow as a turtle, and I can't do anything about that. That being said though, I can fix the infotainment part with the beautiful 12 smart box. So I have my USB in here in this little cubby. I already connected the Type-C to USB-A cable, and now all we need to do is simply grab the 12 smart box, and all we do is plug it in. That's it. That is the installation. It is now complete. So I can now leave this right in this little cubby here, and then now we'll be basically able to click on the app here, which we're already on this menu, and now we just wait for the device to be recognized. It's connecting with Apple CarPlay. And then this is your main infotainment area, like your main home UI now. If you click on the three little dots, you'll be able to have like your settings of the actual box here. So you'll be able to connect to Bluetooth, change the date and time, display settings, the whole 9 yards here, your HDMI settings, and all that stuff. This little floating circle here is essentially your quick settings. So you can always click on it here and basically go back home or the back or whatnot. Now, in here, if we want to connect to Apple CarPlay, or in my case, Android Auto, it's very simple. All I do is essentially grab my cell phone and I will go to my Bluetooth settings here, and I go to pair a new device, and the cucaracha is the Golf here, the original Bluetooth of this device. But in this case, we want to be able to connect to the AI box. We click pair, and then now you'll see right away it says looking for Android Auto. And then to launch it, all you need to do is basically click on the little CarPlay thing here, and now it says it's connecting. And we have completely now replaced the Android, the wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto with wireless Android Auto. And for the first time, it might take a few more seconds because we need to continue and allow settings on here. And there we have it. Here's where we have now our wireless Android Auto. You'll have access to all of your apps that you're able to use on here. Of course, you can't watch YouTube or anything like that on Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. So if we did want to go and watch our videos or download whatever it is we need to connect to the internet first. So let's get rid of the Android Auto screen here. We'll just exit. And now to connect to Wi-Fi, we'll just drop it down here, click internet, and we're gonna connect to our shop Wi-Fi here. Okay, and now it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Obtaining, connected, okay, done. So now that we are connected, you can see here that we have, oops, let's go back. We have our apps here, so we can go and watch YouTube, or if we wanted to download any other apps, we can, no problem, by basically being able to search whatever you want. You know, we are in Canada and Drake's the man. I'm sorry if you don't agree with that, but we're gonna just see here, just to kind of give you guys an example that you can play a video. You can see here that we can even go on full screen here. So now you'll be able to watch a video, and of course, while driving, if I slap it in reverse, the reverse camera comes on, and then if I exit out of here, you'll be able to still see the video here. And then that's enough of Drake here. We'll get rid of that. Let's go back and let's go to, let's say we want to go to the Google Play Store. I'll have to log in, so I'm not going to do that. But if you want the Play Store here, this is the equivalent to your Apple App Store, be able to find every app that you possibly are looking for. And then you also have, like, if you want to mirror your phone, you'd have to download another app and basically mirror your phone, your Hulu, your Netflix, all that stuff is already pre-installed on here, your Apple Music. But again, you can download whatever app you want by clicking on the Play Store there. There you guys have it, the beautiful 12 smart box. As you can see, installation is a breeze and understanding the software is simplified and very easy. I really think you guys are gonna like this device. I don't know what else you would like us to show you. Please guys, drop some comments below if there's a particular thing you wanna learn more about or a feature or whatever. And I'd love to make another video and show you guys. The link for this product is on the description here below. If you guys have questions, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Alex from Workshop 12, and it's always a pleasure to assist you. I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Peace.